So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I want to share with you what you can do as a teenager to turn a $100 bill into thousands of dollars. Now the principle of this video is to give you guys 3 clever ways to start investing your money the right way as a teenager. Now this is not a typical do this with your money, but this is smart things that you want to do with your money to start growing your money, to start building wealth in your teens, and things they're not teaching you in the school system. And I wanted to share with you guys what I did in my life, as well as what you need to do to start making, saving, and investing more money for your future self. So if you've come this far and you've not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscription button below, as well as smash that thumbs up button. It truly goes a long way. So the purpose of this video was the power of what you want to do with your money. If you want to grow money, make more money with your money, start investing your money as a teenager, you might not know what you want to do. And I want to share with you guys the 3 most clever and the right things to do with your money to have your money start working for you easily in your teenage years. Now first off, I want to jump into the video and explain the one thing that you don't want to do with your money in your teens, and probably the greatest mistake so many young folks are making, and a great mistake that I made even in my teens. And now I've kind of course corrected how I'm investing my money, which is making me a lot more money in my life. But I want to share with you guys the power of taking some type of risk. And if you're not taking risks, you're typically putting your money into a direct savings account, and putting your money into a savings account is one of the worst investments you can make. Now it's important to build up this savings account to have a healthy amount of cash, but if you're not actually making money on your money sitting in a savings account, and even worse, you are losing money sitting in a savings account. Inflation is around 2 to 3%. You're only getting less than 1% every year return on your cash. You are not making any growth on your money sitting in a bank account. So what you want to do, guys, is break down the 3 things that I want to share with you: how you can make money, how you can flip a $100 bill into a $1,000 bill, how you can take $200 and turn it to $2,000. This is all through the power of coming up with clever, innovative ways to invest money, put your money to use, and to turn that cash into a lot more. Now the first way I want to share with you guys is going ahead and flipping things with the money that you have. One of the greatest, not business ideas, but a great way for you to turn cash into a lot more cash is flipping things on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Craigslist, and start making money. So what you guys want to do is either go to any local thrift stores or go to any local Facebook Marketplace, and you're going to search up free items on Facebook. You're going to look for things that have discounts, and you're going to go ahead and buy them at a low cost. For me, I built my business as a teenager in college as well, selling around $2,000 to $3,000 a month on eBay, going to thrift stores, buying used men's and women's clothes, buying it at a discount, reselling it on eBay, and flipping it for a profit. So what I want to share with you guys, a great way to just quickly turn some cash into a lot more cash without really having to invest a lot of capital, is buying things at a discount, going on Facebook Marketplace, locating tools, locating equipment, even finding free items that people are posting on Facebook Marketplace, getting them for $0, taking them back to your house, listing them on Facebook again, and selling them to make a quick $100. Now think about if you can make $100, $200 per item that you didn't spend any money on Facebook Marketplace. This is the great way to make $200 a day, $300 a day, all from the power of reselling. I think in your teen, this is a great way to get started, which I'll touch up on in a little bit of about a business idea that I want you to start to make more money. But go out there and get your hands on flipping, reselling, and buying things at a discount, and then flipping them for profit on eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, Facebook Marketplace. Your life is going to start changing, and your dollars are going to make you a lot more money. This is a cold hard cash way to flip a $100 bill into $200 to $300 profit every day. So go ahead and take some of this advice, do your due diligence, check it out, and give it a try, and you're going to start making more money with your money. Now the second way that you can start making money with your money comes down to investing. Now in a second here, I'm going to jump directly into my computer on what you want to start investing in, how I made a lot more money with my money, and how I'm actually putting my money to use investing in the stock market. You might be a teenager, you might ask, how can I invest my money into the stock market? What do I do? How does it actually make me money? So I want to show you guys exactly into my computer, exactly a company that's making me money, as well as a simple investment that you need to make in your teens to start making and growing wealth in the stock market. Now I want to share with you guys why it's important to put your money into the stock market. Like I said, a savings account is not doing you any good, but you can invest in companies in the stock market. You can begin investing in long-term companies where every year they're getting around 8 to 10% growth. Investing in an ETF on the stock market, any index fund, traditionally get around 8 to 12% annually on your money. This is better than any real estate account, as well as any type of savings account that you're ever going to get. So I want to give you guys a quick sneak peek directly into my current Robinhood account. account. As you can see, in 2020, we had $25,000 invested, and slowly as time starts to work, you continue to invest, your money continues to grow, companies do well, and over time, you continue to make money investing in the stock market. But I want to share with you guys, how can you actually make money investing in the stock market? This is important. You might not understand it. So let's go for a company like Tesla. For me, I invested in Tesla a little over 2 years ago. For example, I bought a little under 10 shares right here on September 6th, September 20th, around this area right here. And I paid $48 per share to own 1 share of Tesla. Now, I bought 6 to 10 here at the time for $48. And now, as you can see, the company continued to grow. I held on to the stock that I invested in, and I didn't sell it. I didn't want any profits yet. And I continue to hold this, buy more shares. And as you can see right now, it is going for $659.89 per share. Now, this is a great way. I bought it for a little over $48, $49, and now 1 share is worth almost $700. This is the power of investing your money into the stock market. What I want to share with you guys here is that the total market is a little under $11,000 here, as you can see, and the cost that I have is around $1,310 invested, with an average return a little over $9,000 invested in the stock market. Now, my whole portfolio is similar to investing in Tesla. What I do is continue to buy, hold, and continue to invest in the stock market. So the greatest way for you to start putting your money to use is to invest in either individual stocks, do your research, do your due diligence, understand what companies you're investing in, have a strategy on what companies are going to make you money for the long term. But more importantly, if you don't want to pick individual stocks, invest in ETF index funds. This is what I'm investing in for the long term. You're going to get around an 8 to 12% typically return on your investment investing in index funds and ETF. So this is a great way, a second opportunity for you to make your money work for you. You can never get any of this type of return investing in a savings account, and you cannot get this money investing with that money underneath your pillowcase. So guys, go ahead and start investing in the stock market, as well as I'm going to shout out my Robinhood brokerage free link. If you want your first free stock when you go ahead and sign up with Robinhood, go ahead. It's in my bio below. This will help you get started, as well as you'll receive your first stock through Robinhood. And lastly, guys, I want to share how can you make more money with your money with a way of starting a side hustle or business in your teen life. Now, sometimes people want to go ahead and invest, build passive income, and just sit on their money and just hopefully become rich one day. But if you want real cash, real money, real wealth in your life, in your teens, it takes a little bit of work. And I want to show you guys the third most important point is to build a side hustle or business with the cash that you currently have in your life as a teenager. Now, what I did and what you should do in your teens is to think about the money that you get for Christmas, Easter, your holidays, whatever your religion is, as well as on your birthday. This money should be saved. This should be either going directly under your pillow or just to save up a little bit of cash, or it's going into your bank account. So now you're sitting on a couple $1,000s. Now, how can you turn $1,000, 10 $100 bills into a lot more money? And that's what I want to show you guys. 3 simple side hustles that you can get started in your teens that I did to make an absolutely insane amount of money. Now, the first thing I want to share with you guys is to start some type of service business. Now, for me, this was mowing lawns, power washing, going out there, washing cars in my teenage years, as well as providing some type of yard service is a great way to make money with your money. Now, the second way you can do this is to start investing in equipment that's going to make you more money. People say, I want to make more money in my teens. I want my money to make me more money, but you have the money right now, but you have to go ahead and take some risk. Invest in the equipment to start that lawn care business. Invest in the equipment to start that printing business. Invest in a computer that's going to help you sell drop shipping or some type of affiliate course. Do your thing, but put your money to use. And lastly, it's okay to get your hands dirty. Start this business around what you love. Start spending money on the things that are going to make you more money, and instead of wasting your money on new toys, things that are not going to hold you back in life, go ahead and start investing in a business. Start a side hustle business. Start going on the Nextdoor app. Advertise your services in the community. Tell your mom, tell your friends, tell your parents to go out there and say, hey, Jimmy or Johnny or Sarah is starting a new side hustle or a new business. If anybody in the area needs their type of service or needs their help with their business, please reach out to them and help make them more money. So what you guys want to do is start going ahead and flipping things, buying things, discount, and then reselling them for a profit. Secondly, start putting your money actually to use, investing it, letting it grow overnight, continue to grow when you're sleeping. And the more important part is to start investing in the stock market. And third, in your teens, take the capital that you currently have and start a business. Start selling candy, buy candy, start a lawn mowing, a landscaping business. Start going on knocking on doors, washing cars. Buy the equipment that you have right now with the money. Whatever your business goals are, use this money, start that startup or start that business, and then go ahead and provide this quality service or sell this product. And guess what? You're going to start making money with the money that you have. So guys, the biggest struggle that people face is, holding back the fears of being broke. We don't want to be broke in life. If you don't want to be broke in life, this is a channel that I want to help inspire you, share with you guys what you need to do with your money, and get you guys educated on how to invest, how to grow, how to start a side hustle, how to start investing in the stock market. So one day you're going to be thanking yourself for what you learned in your teens and how you can start building real wealth in your life. And lastly, guys, I want to share with you why this little bit of cash in my hands is actually a very bad decision in my life. The amount of cash that you have in life doesn't mean anything. The amount of dollars that you have working for you is way more important. This dollar right here, this $100, this $200, this $300 is not making me any money sitting in my hand. I need to deploy it into a business, buy things that are going to make me more money, or invest it directly in the stock market to get more growth, to get a higher rate of return on my money instead of it not getting any growth right now in my hand. Cash is dead. Invest in assets that are going to change your life. Learn the knowledge, learn the skills that help you grow and make more money in your life. And I can guarantee, I will tell you guys this, if you do this in your teens, you're setting yourself up to be a future millionaire, a successful businessman or woman, a successful entrepreneur, a successful investor one day, and your life will forever be changed. So guys, thank you so much. I hope this video taught you a little bit about how to build wealth, how to start businesses, how to get fired up about changing your life in your teens, and more importantly, give you guys a little bit of clarity on what you need to do with your money. Don't make the mistakes of people investing your money into a savings account, keeping it on your mattress. Put this money to work, put this money into the right places, and now you know a little bit what you need to do. And make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel before we hop off. I will see you guys in the next video. It has been an absolute blessing to build a relationship, to build communication with you guys, and more importantly, I appreciate so many of you guys who are tuning in, watching these videos. Leave a comment below if you like this video, hit me up on any other platforms, and more importantly, I love to hear from you. Call me, text me, whatever it is. Can't wait to hopefully meet you guys one day. Enjoy the rest of your week. See you in the next video. Peace out.